Welcome back. Today, we're diving into effective strategies to help you learn and remember new vocabulary words. Tip 1. Use flashcards. Write the word on one side and the definition on the other. Use physical cards or digital apps like Anki or Quizlet. Tip 2. Learn words in context. Learn them within sentences or stories. This helps you understand how the word is used. Tip 3. Practice with vocabulary apps. Apps like Duolingo, Memrise and Vocabulary.com make learning fun. Tip 4. Read regularly. Reading exposes you to new words in context. Highlight or jot down unfamiliar words. Tip 5. Use the new words. Practice using new vocabulary in writing and conversation. The more you use them, the more likely you are to remember them. By using these tips, you'll build a strong and active vocabulary. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more language learning strategies. Share this video with friends who want to expand their vocabulary.